What are you guys doing?
So, the prize that we won from Jeremy's contest came in. This is a bunch of tools and products and stuff like that. So we're going to open it up and check it out. We'll pin this up here.
Hey, I'm so excited! What can it be? It's like Christmas! Oh my gosh. My favorite. Right in here.
Apparently Alyssa's the one good at opening
Right,
presents.
look at that. Woo! Go!
So serious. It is.
Go!
Fried cookies.
Go! Go! Go, go! Oh, Teresa, your favorite. 5-pack. Peanut butter cookies. Chocolate chip.
Wow, we need the jackpot here.
Peanut butter.
You know. I gotta see what's in this.
Oh my goodness, another 5-pack.
That is crazy.
Holy moly, sample pack, shake mix.
Oh!
Woo! Sample packs. Oh, what is that?
These are the.
What? I've never
the-
seen that.
They're.
I haven't seen this container. Wow.
Oh, look at this.
Okay, this is serious. I'm
Wait,
getting
wait, wait.
hot.
Check this out. Check this out.
Holy moly.
Woohoo!
Successful Home Magazine.
And we're in those.
Successful Home Magazine.
Find that.
You know what we're gonna do with this stuff, right?
Fighting the war
What's that?
on obesity.
What page are you on?
Let's see.
Bet you don't know.
And we're in here. Oh, there's Crystal and Randy. Woohoo! Right there. And Crystal and Randy again. This way. David knows what pages we're on. Let's get it. Drink that water. It's like 86, I think. Oh, there we are.
108. Oh, bam! There it is.
Make sure you take your seatbelts off to get
Okay, so guess what we're gonna do with all this stuff? We're gonna take it home and use it. No, that's not it. We are going to run contests throughout our team for the people that helped earn this stuff.
Which are Sue Spooner,
And
Lena Glenn,
and
the Adlards, and the most important team that helped us was
the Cuttings.
the Cuttings! Woohoo!
So watch for contests within the teams to be able to help disperse some of this stuff out. And
It's going to be a great year, guys. We've got a huge resolution coming up for Visalis that they're going to launch here pretty soon in the new year. We've heard it's going to be awesome. Guess what we got to help you?
and the things that you do for the rest of November and through December is going to set the foundation for what happens in your business and in your life in 2013. Who's going to make it an awesome year?
Ba-bam!